having 10 to 12 committee chairmanships. Nabigay sa amin yung mga ganun. Major committees na nabigay are economic affairs, medyo mabigat yun. The games and amusement, the committee on labor, committee on OFW, and ngayon yata mababasa some of the committees also. So, and then nakuha rin namin halos close to 70 vice chairmanships. So if we talk about proportional share, talagang masaya yung party list for giving us equal representation or equal yung pagtingin ng speaker and the leadership is almost co-equal to a district. So we don't feel like we are second citizen at this point.